The British Animal Rescue and Trauma Care Association is pleased to introduce the BARTA Emergency Vet Grab Bag, developed by BARTA veterinary surgeons and the Openhouse design team specifically for veterinary professionals providing emergency support to horse racing and eventing, or for everyday veterinary emergencies. This bespoke addition to any emergency vet's equipment has been well thought through. Waterproof, antibacterial and wipe clean MicroGuard Plus material promotes all essential hygiene and ease of cleaning needs, whilst extremely durable construction protects from abrasion and heat. The grab bag is unique in that it's been designed with two distinct colour-coded sides to ensure you quickly identify the equipment you need for immediate first aid, carried in the green compartment, or euthanasia, where the essentials are provided immediately to hand in the black compartment. Attachments allow for pre-filled syringes to be carried safely. If you carry a firearm, it's discreetly housed in a protective internal pocket. The BARTA Emergency Vet Grab Bag has been designed by vets for vets and complements the larger veterinary response kit bag. Together, these provide a safe, organised space for all the necessary items required of the modern veterinary responder.